what?
Let's do it.
Dude,
Come
they're
on.
helping. They're doing a good thing.
Come
It's
on.
karma, man. It's just gonna come back.
How does that happen?
Are you filming my friend?
Yeah.
Okay, so as I was
How do you keep up the motivation?
Right.
So first of all, you got to fuel yourself with many different tools. This is what State of Gym is all about. Fuel motivation with goals. You take something that doesn't fit you and you say, I want that to fit. You take pictures of it. You set reminders.
Yes.
And every single day you remind yourself, I want to fit into that shirt.
I put that in my face. I keep it in my face like this
Every
is what
day,
I want.
right? Because human beings are forgetful creatures.
Yes, we're like fucking goldfish.
Exactly. We're forgetful creatures. So the minute you remind yourself, this was my goal 10 days ago, and this is my goal today, and in 10 days I'm going to remind myself this is still my goal. Now get this, the fuel doesn't end.
Fucking smart, yeah.
The fuel doesn't end.
The habit.
Because it's like fueling your car once a year, right? The car's not going to run for the rest of the year.
Yeah, it's not.
Absolutely. So once you get that done, and let's say that shirt fits you, guess what? The party is not over yet. Because now you're fueling.
Fucking step one.
You're fueled your motivation with your goals. Now you reach your goal. Now you're celebrating your victories. You're fueling your motivation with your victories.
So like the moment I get there, it starts to feel good. I want to keep doing it, right?
Right, and then you get something else, and you set a new motivation.
So that's what you do.
This is just a minute percent of what I did. State of Gym is something enormous. It's just something enormous, and this is why I believe that no one gave me the tools for many years. I've been misled by gyms, by frameworks from school, from. I've personally been misled because no one really knew which tools to give me. I was told, okay, focus on this, focus on that. Excuse me, there's a big picture, and you gave me a stroke of one brush stroke of a masterpiece,
Right.
and you need a masterpiece to succeed.
Yes.
And this is what it's all about. You need a masterpiece. You need the whole. You need the whole picture, end to end. This is State of Gym. It's end to end. So what do you guys have to tell us once more? You are.
Stay